What is up, everybody? Dan and the Fireman. On this episode of Wheelies Are Fun, but I Still Crash, we're going to be talking about this motorcycle wheelie training fun. Now, he got a little bit crazy, but here's the thing. It's in a nice parking lot, and they're actually using some apparatuses. What is the word? Anyways, they're using something that is good for them to practice on. And then we're going to be talking about this CB600F Hornet doing some stupid things. I don't even know what else to say. They're just being dumb. All right, let's just get to class and talk about it. So we're going to watch the kid MCS do a trainer for wheelies in a parking lot with an instructor. Very good. Uh-oh. See, that's what I love about it, except for that part. Ooh, it looks like it got bent up. That trainer, is that supposed to bend? That's a lot of damage. You see, it's always good when the instructor laughs about it. It's always good. All right, so here we go. So we're riding with a trainer. So this is for wheelies. Now this is what I can get behind. I definitely can get behind this, so she said. But we're gonna have a wheelie instructor in a closed course parking lot. We're gonna minimize and mitigate as much damage and risks to ourselves, and then also to the bike, utilizing equipment. Now this is a great way to train, a great way to do things like that. But here we go. We're gonna move on with this. And I don't know too much about wheelies, so Brian 636 would be a great resource for this when it comes to wheelies and whatnot. So what we're gonna be doing is going here, go a little wheelie. Now this is what I like about it. So stabilizes the left and right lean, and yeah, doing a good job. Got some good protection. I would do something with the hands because a natural reaction is to put the hands out. Boop, got a little on your hand. That's a no bueno situation. We're gonna do that. And that's, we went a little too far, so you're able to put your foot down on the wheelie trainer. I think that's really amazing. This might be hinged. I don't know, though. I don't know. It looks like it's damaged. It's filmed with a potato, but that's perfectly fine. See, now it's all damaged right there. But hey, you do you. Now, he's going to go ahead and race towards it and try to stop it. He's going to try to hit that engine shutoff switch. And we do it right before we go into the weeds, and the instructor's having a great time. Now, I typically laugh at my students too, but the thing is, no, I'm just kidding. I don't laugh at my students. I do. Not in front of them, though. So we're going to be riding here. Remember, interstates, we have the typical merging situation, and we're going to get... Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Whew. All right, so here we go. So we're going to go ahead and talk about this one a little bit more. So here's the thing. The only thing that we really have to worry, not the only thing, one of the biggest things we have to worry about when it comes to interstate riding with other road hazards, like other cars, other vehicles, roadway users. There we go. That's the word I'm trying to get at. The thing is, what we have to watch out for is typically the merging and then switching of lanes. We don't have that cross traffic like we do have in town. So right now he's in a good position for safety. He's planning his ride. He's off to the side. He's got a good space cushion. But here's the thing. Here's the next thing that I want you guys to really focus on is when we're looking over here. There you go. So the arrow's right here. Woo, let's go over here. No, let's look at this. If this person's going to get on the interstate, these people are kind of blocking his way. Look at our open lane too. So it's not just about, being in a good space cushion. It's also looking 12 seconds ahead. It's also looking and seeing, where is this guy going to go? And if I was him, what would I be doing? I'm going to try to shoot across safely myself, but we can't anticipate these people to do things safely. We're motorcycle riders with being smart riders. These people aren't smart riders. They're not smart drivers. They don't have that dual citizenship. They don't have that dual endorsement. Jeez, what am I thinking? They don't have that dual endorsement. They don't have it. And if they did, then this person's not paying attention. They should be looking out for motorcyclists, but he's not. So what's going to be happening here is they're going to go a little bit too wide. It's like, screw it. I don't want to get in this first available lane. I'm going to get into the next one. So as soon as you see somebody switching lanes super quick like that, what you should be doing is rolling off that throttle at highway speeds. You don't even have to brake sometimes. You can just roll off that throttle, and what you can do is engine brake. Okay, engine braking is going to slow you down at these highway speeds, allow them to go in, and then go. It's as simple as that. Shouldn't have a big issue. But if you fail to notice that because your situation awareness isn't the greatest, you're going to get yourself in this situation. Now, when we're in this situation, what do? Well, if you have one only X-Rams motorcycle over here, you could probably accelerate and get out of here in less than half a second. Well, if you don't have a Panigale or you don't have my Indian FTR 1200S, I'm just saying it's an amazing bike, or the new 2022 Indian Chief, which I got to ride today, Rain and saw it, Anyways, what you can do if you're riding a Grom on the interstate, which you shouldn't be, is just engine brake, decelerate. Now right here though, apply some progressive brake pressure, get yourself out of there, escape to the behind you, because you can't escape left, you can't escape right. Okay, so we can't do this. We can't go whoop. We can't go this. Hard to escape that way. Best thing we could do is decelerate and get ourselves out of there. Horn's not going to help us. Having pulling in the clutch and rev bombing is not going to help us, because it's going to remove the engine braking that we need. On top of, now we have no power in our wheel, so we're just kind of shit out of luck. So we're going to be getting into here. Now, thankfully, he was able to escape. Now, it looks like he just kind of moved his head over to the right, because you can see more of the bike right there. Thankfully, this is the beauty of motorcycles. We're just kind of chilling on this line, but look how much space you have before you hit that curb and then fall down and wrap your neck around one of these poles, wrap your arm, wrap your leg, go over the top of this and slice and dice you up. It's a no bueno situation. It's where you get a little poop on your pantalones, which is brown stage, but you know, at this point, nothing you could do. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to CARDO for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I could talk to my kids on their CARDO Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a CARDO Pack Talk. Bold, slim, free-com, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you're going to get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. So we're going to be riding over here with the CB600F Hornet. Good position. You see this line of sight, how it's pretty good? Whoa, I wouldn't be following this situation, because now you're putting yourself in a bad area. Okay, now you got to turn. Okay, why are we chasing this? This is way too fast. There's the side of the vehicle right there. It looks like he might have got clipped. Almost hit that person. So take a quick look at this whole situation. I just want to point out some of the good, some of the bad. Remember, we are doing the after-action review process. So with the after-action review process, we are trying to find out what's good, what's bad, remove the bad, only do the good, but recognize that these things could be bad. Typically, it's going to be ego, okay? So he's got a lot of things here. He doesn't have his rescue card or anything like that. We're going to be riding. So this right here is a good position for safety in terms of vision, escape paths, and then also a space cushion. He's got a good space cushion. Okay, now let's see what happens with that. Let's see what he does. Let's see what he does with that. We got some good stuff. Okay, my buddy or somebody that I just want to have fun with decided to pass when they shouldn't have passed, because it's a dangerous area. This should be an orange stage type area. And here we go. So we're going to go ahead and pass now. Take a quick look. Where's our escapes? So this is why it's dangerous to pass in areas like this. You don't have good escapes. You have good vision, good space cushions, but what are you going to do just in case? Those are the things I want you to ask yourself before you even get into this position. So we're going to go over here. So he's going to kind of get back into his spot. He's like, okay, now I see that nobody's coming. Okay, maybe I had to get back into my lane. Okay, let's go ahead and keep having fun. Nobody's there. Now I'm going to get back into my lane. You notice how it's a turn. Okay, so take a quick look. It's a turn right here. Once if somebody's coming out through here, ooh, you better get back in your lane quick. Now let's say somebody is coming around and you're like, I got to get back in my lane quick. Are you set up for this turn now at this speed? Probably not. Probably not. So be careful. We're getting really lucky. Okay, just because something bad hasn't happened doesn't mean it won't. That's called complacency. We're going to get into here. He's going to downshift. He went from third to fourth, or third to second, and we're going to go around. Oh, thankfully that car wasn't there, right? So let's keep an eye out. Okay, we got a stop sign there. We have intersections. We have multiple vehicles. It's pretty congested for what we're doing. Okay, this is not a good thing. We should be doing this at a track. So now we're going to get around here, and we have a lot of vehicles. We're going to accelerate pretty hard. And that car, let's take a quick look at this. Renzzi, go ahead and zoom in on this part right here. Okay, so that right there, it's going to be pretty hard. I'm going to try to get my finger in the zoom when he does the edit. We have a car coming out. That's that side of the vehicle. You can zoom back out. Side of the vehicle, and we have this vehicle almost hitting him. Okay, we aren't doing what we're supposed to be doing. We're speeding. We have a multitude of factors colliding into one to create a collision possibility, because it didn't happen, I don't think. So we're going to get into here. Let's go ahead and hit this button. And now we're going to slow it down because we witnessed something scary. Why are we doing this in the first place? Oh, maybe ego? So let's go ahead and remove some ego. Maybe drunk? I don't know. Remember we talked about that? 50% of fatalities are from alcohol related speeding and stuff like that. So maybe our ego is involved. Maybe we had a lot of skill, supposedly, in going straight lines around corners. But the thing is, we need to start reducing factors. So reduce the speed in areas that are dangerous. Start reducing some of these things with ego. We're having way too much fun when it becomes less fun after somebody crashes and dies. Now, this is what typically happens, is that we're going to have a motorcycle rider say, you know, screw you. What are you doing? You pulled out. Oh, we're hauling ass. We're hauling ass. We're not doing what we're supposed to be doing. It's not very responsible as a rider. So he's going to look at him, maybe flip him off. I don't know. But let's not do this stuff. Okay, let's learn not to do that, okay? Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.